Globalstar is living up to its name in its latest globe-trotting adventures, going to the Great White North to commence upgrades at its 2 Canadian ground stations, located in the exotic lands of High River, Alberta, and Smiths Falls, Ontario. This expansion project involves adding 3 additional tracking antennas to each facility, bringing the total number of antennas at each location to 7. The Canadian ground stations have been in continuous operation for over 20 years, providing mobile satellite services across North America. These extra tracking antennas will enhance its infrastructure and support the delivery of next-generation mobile satellite solutions to billions of people and IoT devices. The Canadian expansion is part of Globalstar's larger global effort to deploy over 90 additional tracking antennas in support of its third-generation C3 mobile satellite system. This system is designed to provide advanced mobile satellite capabilities and is expected to deliver unprecedented global coverage and capacity. According to L. Barbie Ponder, Globalstar's General Counsel and Vice President of Regulatory Affairs, the company is committed to investing in Canada, where it has maintained a presence for over 2 decades. Ponder highlighted that the additional investments in Canada will support innovative next-generation mobile satellite products and services throughout the North American region. When combined with the ongoing expansion in Asia, the future looks bright for planned infrastructure investments across multiple continents. These expansion ambitions have also led Globalstar to commence construction on additional gateway infrastructure at its existing ground station in Bihoro, Japan, marking the beginning of rapid growth for Globalstar's mobile satellite services throughout Asia, and is also a crucial step in supporting the company's third-generation C3 mobile satellite system. The Bihoro ground station was initially established with the purchase of land by Globalstar, and the first installation was commissioned in June 2024 during an opening ceremony. Like the Canadian project, the current construction project involves adding more tracking antennas to support both the existing constellation and the infrastructure necessary for the C3 system. L. Barbie Ponder emphasized that the additional property acquired in Japan will support future expansion and infrastructure development for the C3 system, which is being called the most advanced mobile satellite system ever. A claim Globalstar is looking to live up to since it values its long-term relationship with Japan and its partnership with IP Motion, a company that has been instrumental in the company's success in the region. Hiroshi Ando, CEO of IP Motion and Globalstar Japan, welcomed the expansion, citing Globalstar's strong commitment to the satellite communications market in Japan. The expansion of the Bihoro ground station demonstrates Globalstar's ongoing contributions to the local economy and its strong relationship with the Bihoro town office and community. Ando highlighted the importance of acquiring adjacent land to support the infrastructure needed for the C3 satellite system. With this expansion, Globalstar is poised to advance industrial connectivity and public safety across Japan. Globalstar also recently showed signs of growth outside civilian markets, with a cooperative research and development agreement, CRADA, with the U.S. Army to evaluate the performance of its satellite data solutions for military applications. This collaboration marks a significant milestone in the integration of commercial satellite innovation with national defense priorities. The CRADA brings into focus Globalstar's next-generation telecommunications infrastructure, which is specifically designed for low probability of intercept (LPI) and low probability of detection (LPD) communications. These capabilities are crucial for modern military operations, particularly in covert sensing, unmanned systems, logistics tracking, and tagging, tracking, locating (TTL) across high-risk and denied access environments. The partnership aims to address the vulnerabilities of traditional communication methods, which can be susceptible to interception, detection, and environmental constraints. Globalstar's solutions are designed to work effectively in harsh, remote, and contested environments, providing reliable data without compromising mission security, something made possible by innovations in ultra-low size, weight, power, and cost SWaP-C devices, making Globalstar an emerging leader in future low Earth orbit (LEO) satellite infrastructure. These SWaP-C optimized solutions enable real-time alerting for tactical activities and anomalies, autonomous unmanned system support, and seamless integration with satellite networks, while minimizing operational footprint and detection risk. All vital features needed for next-generation space-based command and control systems, supporting distributed, mobile, and autonomous military networks. Globalstar's over-the-air OTA messaging architecture supports dynamic adaptive communication protocols that reinforce its LPI and LPD capabilities. By integrating these features with a multipath diversity LEO constellation, the platform becomes exceptionally well-suited for defense missions that demand secure, autonomous functionality, even in contested or communications-restricted settings. Back on the civilian side, this time in Europe, Globalstar continued the spread of its global infrastructure with an earlier definitive agreement with Telecom Castilla-La Mancha to significantly expand its Alcázar teleport facility in Spain. Representing yet another investment in its third-generation C3 mobile satellite services network, the expansion will effectively double the size of Globalstar's current footprint at the Alcázar teleport, adding 3 new tracking antennas along with essential infrastructure upgrades. This development will further strengthen the low Earth orbit LEO satellite constellation, allowing Globalstar to support a broad range of next-generation mobile satellite services for hundreds of millions of European users. This upgrade and its timeliness cannot be understated. This European facility's importance in maintaining service continuity was highlighted during earlier power outages in Spain and Portugal, where terrestrial mobile networks failed, but Globalstar's satellite services continued operating without disruption, thus highlighting the system's resilience and reliability, making it an essential tool for critical communications capabilities. For more on Globalstar, other stocks, and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.